Hi everyone. I'm outside taking a break. I was feeling a little stressed by all the work I had to do. So I decided to take the advice on our calendar. Go outside and listen to nature. Can you see me? You can see my reflection in the little pool I'm looking at. I'm listening to nature and even looking at nature. This is the little environment I've created for my tadpole. I'm gonna check on him, see if he's growing, and listen to nature. You can even see a little ant right now out in nature. Do you see that? Let's listen for just a few minutes. You can hear a bird. Can you hear that in the video? I can hear my neighbors laughing and giggling in their pool also. Do you hear that? Are humans a sound of nature? I guess so. Let's look and see if we can find the tadpole now. See anything? I may or may not see anything. It's fun to look either way. He's in there somewhere. Oh, there he is. I don't know if you can see him with all the reflections. Everywhere you see the water shaking, there's a tadpole under there. There's so much sunshine, you can't see him. There he is. I really want to see him start growing legs. I guess I'll have to be patient. Thanks for enjoying a few minutes of nature with me. I hope you take time to enjoy nature also.